Hi everybody, so I wanted to take a few minutes and show you a Google Chrome extension that you can have students use, or you can use yourself for instruction to support our L students. This particular extension is called Google Translate. So in order to get that, just a reminder, you went to the App Store, and when you went to the App Store, you clicked on the Web Store. And in here, I click on extensions, and then I would search for Google Translate. And as you're going to see, it's already installed on mine. But if it wasn't installed on mine, you would click Add to Chrome, and then it's going to ask you if you're sure you're going to want to add it, and you want to say yes. And at that point, you should see it eventually pop up here. Or it might, if you have a lot of extensions, you might have to click to show them because it might hide some of them. So I wanted to show you with a particular document that I had. Let me go back to where I was. All right, so let's say this is the document that I want to translate. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the extension. And what I want to do first is I want to click on Translate this page. Sometimes when you click it the first time, it's not going to actually do what you're asking it to do. So you want to click it again. And when you see this blue bar show up, translated to English here, this is going to give you the option to click down, and these are all of the different languages that are available for you to actually click on to have this document translated. So let's just say that I want traditional Chinese. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to show me right away how it would translate. If I wanted to go to a different one, say Nepali, I'll click on it, give it a few seconds, and it'll pop up. If I want it to go back to the original form, I'm going to click on this button right here, Show Original. And then, if I want to get out of here, I'm going to click on the X right here. Okay, so when we clicked on this, there was another piece that you saw here that says Translate. So here's what's really cool. Let's say this is what I want to translate from this document. Let's say that the student is working in a document, they're trying to figure out this particular sentence and they want to know what it means, but they don't want to necessarily translate the whole document. So click on this, and then we're going to paste in that piece. We want to translate it. Let's say that I want to translate it to French. So what I can do is I can actually listen.
RL3 4 determines the meaning of words and phrases. They are used in a text, distinguishing literal from non-literal language.
And it will actually translate that so that I can listen to it and hear the translation from English to French. I can do it in any other language that's on here as well. And again, click on the audio button.
RL3.4 determine the meaning of words and phrases as THEY are used in a text.
Okay, so that's how you can use Google Translate in order to translate any part or a whole document.